Hi, this is Nick Benincasa at Walser Hyundai in Brooklyn Park. Today I'm going to show you how to set up your Apple CarPlay and Android Auto in your new Hyundai vehicle. So it's a pretty simple setup. All you'll have to do is you'll take your phone cord. It does work better when you have a higher end aftermarket or a full factory cord. The cheaper gas station ones are going to be hit or miss. So you'll take the USB end and you'll stick it into the USB slot here inside the center console. Then you'll go ahead and plug in your phone and just set it off to the side. So reading the USB right now, it's going to ask you if you want to connect it to the Apple CarPlay. It's going to share things like your contacts, your previous phone calls, your messages, so you can do voice texting. So all you got to do is keep hitting the next button one more time, and then this icon will pop up for the Apple CarPlay. You can tap that. You'll need to unlock your phone, and once it pops up, it'll go to your next previous app that you had it on. I had it on Spotify, listening to some podcasts, but you can also pull up your maps. You can voice text, and the main app screen shown down here, you'll be able to cycle through all of your compatible apps, whether it's your phone, your Apple Music, your texting, Pandora, calendar, however you want to use it. So I hope that information was helpful. If you do have any questions, feel free to stop by or give us a call.